ULloyd Bosman noNtokozo Mkhize bafumene iwonga eliphezulu kumdyarho weekhilomitha ezingama-42 ngokungena ezintanjeni kuqala. Zombini ezi mbaleki zivakalise ulonwabo lwazo, zisithi le mpumelelo yazo ibonakalisa ukusebenza nzima nokuzinikela.
It's a wonderful race, tough conditions with a bit of wind, up and down hills, but more than happy with my time. This time of the year, the reason we came down here this year is because of Sanlam was cancelled. So our main focus is to come down to get 2 Oceans and Comrades qualification.
Angifuqa mamanga ikhozi yona ibi right kodwa yo ibinzima ngisho futhi kodwa futhi ibinzima azange kube reselula kumina kube resenzima kodwa ngakwazi ke ukumanage ngaze ngaqeda ngesikhathi ade kuthiwa ngesigijima.
Kugqatso lweekhilomitha ezingama-21 uMenzeleli noPoti ababambe indawo yokuqala neyesibini bathi intsebenziswano ibancedile.
It feels great. I'm actually very excited, you know. Last year was not easy because I balanced within iskolo and the sport, so I'm actually very proud of defending my title. And I think the main thing that makes me proud is that the title is really within Ikamba boundaries. That was the main goal. That is why there's 7 son and a routine to ensure that the title stays home. So actually it wasn't more focus on the defend, but the main goal was to ensure that
I feel so happy that I got second position today because it has been a very good year and it's very perfect to close it this way. It's what I wanted. I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to my coach and my team and all my support system.
Amalungu ase-NMB kwicala lezemidlalo ubugcisa kunye nenkcubeko bathi ukusingatha imidyarho yolo hlobo kubalulekile kwisixeko ngoba inyusa uphuhliso lwemidlalo yasekhaya kunye nezokhenketho.
Here the 130 marathon, a marathon that brings 3 communities together like Riga, Gqeberha as well as the Spits. We are so excited because we are sold out. A lot of participants this morning. We have professional runners as well as first-time runners here this morning.
2025 was a very exciting year for the Legacy Project. We have seen since January all the events under the EPA banner taking place. Beautiful races crossing all over the metro areas. And here we are today in December, 6th December, the very last race called the 130 Marathon. And we have seen 42Ks, we have seen 10Ks, and even a 5-kilometer race. So I think it's a beautiful time to wrap up the year's program. This Legacy Project has really achieved all its objectives in terms of social cohesion, mass participation, and here we are today at a race that was sold out.
Umquzile walomdyarho uMichael Bambani uthi kuyachulumancisa ukuba lo msitho uthengiswe waphela, watsho esithi inkxaso yoluntu iyakhula minyaka le.
Can attest that today we finished on a high. This is the second Legacy project to have sold out this season. You'll remember the Nelson Mandela Bay Half Marathon at the end of June this year. We were sold out on 1,800 entries. This one we were sold out at 3,000 a week before. This is groundbreaking for road running. The impact of the national programs that are taking place across the country are actually giving us that positive, influx into our events. We are very thankful to the Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality.
Umdyarho olandelayo we-Eastern Province Athletics uzokuba kule nyanga izayo ngomhla wama-24 eColchester kwiindaba ze-MPK TV. NdinguLinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.